Hello, my name is Kate and welcome back to E-Style Real Estate Property YouTube channel. Our company is based in Costa Blanca and we specialize on property sale, rental and investment opportunities. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful modern 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment next to the swimming pool. It's just the block behind me. Let's go and check it out. It's a very secure, gated community with lots of cameras installed everywhere and a security office on the side monitoring every day. It's a clean and very maintained urbanization. The minute you enter to the complex, you feel tranquility, lots of greenery and lots of space. There are three large swimming pools inside the complex, and one of them is heated during the winter months. Location is more than perfect. Within the walking distance, you've got a blue flag beaches, beautiful promenade, very famous restaurants, Nautilus and Punta Prima, Consume supermarket. Our office located in Punta Marina commercial center with many bars and restaurants with different international cuisines. Let's check if it's warm enough for March. It's actually very hot. The property comes with private underground parking space, and it also comes with secured storage unit. Welcome to our ground floor 2-bedroom apartment. In the front we have intercom and alarm system. On my left-hand side, we've got open plan, newly fitted kitchen with a nice worktop, very good quality appliances, lots of cabinets for everyday living. Very good size, bright living room with enough space for dining area, very modern furniture, and a private entrance to the large terrace outside. And here we've got a large south-facing terrace with a nice furniture and private entrance to the first bedroom. On my left-hand side, we've got a family bathroom and a bedroom with twin beds, fitted wardrobe, lots of natural light. And here we have very good size master bedroom with a typical style fitted wardrobe and in-suite bathroom. Today I've shown you 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in Entrada urbanization, Punta Prima, Orihuela, Costa. It's available on the market for €260,000. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and let's see you next time.